Good morning. Here a quick message to say thank you. We spent some amazing weeks, last 3 weeks in Sri Lanka. We faced some beautiful countrysides. We saw some amazing animals and met also some really kind people. For me personally, one of the highlights was the stay over in Ella, but also spending some time at the beach, and spending some time in the beautiful wild parks. Actually, we're now driving also in one of the most famous areas, the Wild Plateau area, hopefully to see some leopards today. And so, what was your highlight of your last 3 weeks?
My highlight of this vacation in Sri Lanka was, I think, the landscape of Sri Lanka. It was very beautiful. We saw everything like mountains, beaches, big busy cities, so it was awesome.
Ah, right, thanks. And my lovely wife Jackin here. What was your experience last 3 weeks?
My highlight was absolutely climbing the Lion Rock. It was very beautiful, and when you were on the top you had an amazing view of the landscape.
Yeah, it was really great. A lot of staircases to climb, but the end result was really beautiful. And Pleun, what was your highlight?
My highlight of vacation was laying at the beach because I love the sun.
Oh, spending some time at the beach. Yeah, we spent some amazing days at the beach. Beautiful sun, but it was also really hot. Seb, any highlights from you? Snorkeling. Yeah, we saw some beautiful sharks and also saw a turtle swimming, so that was really lovely. And then we have Kate at the back.
My highlight was rafting.
Rafting. Yeah, we also did rafting. It was really cool, and we survived some really nice waterfalls there. Last but not least, we also want to say thanks to Kosala for driving so many kilometers throughout the country. It was not always easy, but all the tuk-tuks and motorcycles and trucks, and especially also the dogs laying on the roads. But thank you very much for spending the time with us. So we only want to say, Go Sala, Go Sala, Go Sala, Sri Lanka. So good morning, back again. In addition to yesterday, we also want to say a big thanks to Best of Lanka organizing our super holidays here for the last 3 weeks. We're now sitting in the mangroves close to Negombo. But thank you very much for organizing. It was really perfect. We saw so many beautiful things in this country, as mentioned yesterday already. A lot of highlights. So also special thank you to you guys. Hopefully we fly tomorrow back and arriving home in the Netherlands the day after.
Yes, and also thanks to Kosala for making this trip very nice, and he showed us a lot of things, and it was really good.
Alright, see you later guys. Bye bye.